Welcome to my video, and today we'll be talking about, is there time and space? Have you ever wondered what time is? Well, every time I look in the sky, I will always wonder what time is. Time is everywhere. We use it to travel from point A to point B. We can estimate the departure time and arrive time, knowing that. In today's day, calendars is used as a tool to keep track of time and events that's coming up soon. When I was a kid, I remember going to the bus stop at a specific time to go to school. At school, the teachers would teach us how to read the clock. They would teach us what is an hour, which is 60 minutes, a minute is 60 seconds. In the classroom, we study how history has changed over time, starting from evolution and then as from toddlers to adults, and what career path we want to choose as an adult. Time goes in linear path. For example, watching the forecast, we know the exact time it will rain or snow. Have you ever wondered if there's time and space? I always question this myself. We live in the solar system called the Milky Way. In the Milky Way, there is movement depending on gravity. Gravity is depicted by how close the sun is. The sun creates the orbit of the planets and the movement in space. The closer to the sun, the faster the planet will move. An example of that is seeing the Earth spinning by looking at the moon phase of the moon. There are multiple solar systems in the universe. This was discovered by many scientists. Knowing this, I think space itself doesn't have time. It's just a dimension that holds the solar system in one universe. I agree with Einstein's idea that time doesn't really exist. Time is its own dimension. Aristotle was a well-known philosopher that believed that time exists if movement occurred, which I agreed with his theory. Newton is a scientist that determined the movement of Earth and the cycle. He also discovered why there is movement in space. Such of his theories is called gravitational. We can see the astronaut floating in space, showing that there is less gravity in space compared to Earth. This could be shown in the next video. As you can see, Bruce McCandless, this astronaut, is floating in space and shows that there is gravity in space. In conclusion, I feel that our solar system has time because there is movement from gravity due to the sun. Other solar systems might not have the sun, so therefore no gravity. Overall, space is its own entity and which has no time. Thank you for watching this video. I want to thank William for making this class fun.